This is going to be my little new seed starting setup this year. This is an old light that I got for free. I went and got some of the lights for it that are the 64,000 or 6,000 Kelvin. And then, just kind of, I already had the shelf system built that I use, for storage and stuff. It's in the basement, and I was like, we'll give it a shot because it's a good place. Got easy way to hang it, and all I did is here, it's a little slip knot there, and it puts tension on this rope, so you can actually just slide the slip knot up and down, and it'll raise and lower this. So it looks like it's gonna work pretty good, I think. I got 2 trays here, and the shelf's actually deep enough. I got another one of these lights, so I can actually wire another one of these in over there. So I can have, looks like I can do 4 trays on the shelf pretty easy. And like I said, I got another one of these, and they came out of a old like a gas station or whatever. They were throwing away a bunch of them because they went to LEDs. So I just had the 2 wires there and had to wire my own cord in. So yep, pretty excited about this. It's definitely daylight looking light. Right now I just went ahead and these trays, they already got the dirt in there, and I just went ahead and I just filled the water up from below, and I'm gonna give it a day or so to fully saturate the grow spots before I put anything in there. I figure I'd go ahead and get the soil nice and hydrated up, and we'll go from there and see how this turns out this year. Pretty excited about it. It's gonna be awesome.